Fatty liver detox. Using 1 cup daily, I lose weight while detoxing. We focus on fatty liver detox in today's video and discuss whether it helps in weight loss. Many people don't realize that a healthy liver can help them lose weight. Actually, liver detox is a fast and safe way to lose weight. Allow us to introduce an elixir that can do wonders for your weight loss goals. This drink is very simple and easy to prepare. It has been revealed that belly fat often contains stubborn stress hormones that you can't get rid of no matter how hard you try. But if you cleanse your liver and rid your system of harmful toxins, your health will improve and weight loss will be easily achieved. The ingredients for this magical tonic are very simple, and most of them are available in your kitchen. Let's look at these components. Number 1. Honey. Raw honey possesses many medicinal healing properties. It has both antibacterial and antiviral properties. Honey is also known to suppress the hunger hormone called ghrelin and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. It's a rich source of antioxidants and phenols. Substances were found to reduce the risk of heart diseases. Research has found that the protective effects of honey against metabolic syndrome can reduce blood sugar levels and prevent excessive weight gain. It boosts lipid metabolism by reducing the bad cholesterol and triglycerides, a type of fat or lipid found in the blood. This can significantly reduce the risk of atherosclerosis or clogging within the arteries. Number 2. Dandelion tea. Next on the list is dandelion tea. Like honey, dandelion too has many medicinal healing properties. It's no secret that bad eating habits bring many unpleasant side effects on your body. Among them are fluid retention, weight gain, and sluggishness. Dandelion tea can reverse these harmful side effects. Dandelion can help cleanse the liver and burn fat faster, which helps in boosting your metabolism. The liver acts as a filter to help cleanse toxins from the food that we eat and pollutants in the environment. These toxins and other organs that may not be functioning correctly can easily overwhelm the liver. Hunger hormones, thyroid hormones, stress hormones, and sleep hormones can all lead to a sluggish liver. A sluggish liver will increase your insulin levels, make your body gain belly fat, and increase your risk for insulin resistance as well as diabetes. Dandelion tea has been proven to offer relief for bloating due to its diuretic properties, which help the body eliminate excess fluid. It stimulates the liver to produce bile, which helps with digestion. Before we go to the next ingredient, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Hit the bell icon and never miss a single upload from us. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is another ingredient that can help improve your metabolism because your body uses more energy to process the spice than it does for other foods. Cinnamon will give you that feeling of fullness, preventing you from overeating. Aside from its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon contains micronutrients called polyphenols that can help improve insulin sensitivity. When your body doesn't produce enough insulin or become insulin resistant, it can elevate the blood glucose levels. This can lead to accumulation of fat, obesity, diabetes, and other related diseases. Cinnamon has an effect in lowering your fasting blood glucose levels, helping you get rid of bad cholesterol or the LDL, and reduce your triglycerides, a type of fat found in your blood that gets stored in your fat cells. According to research, consuming cinnamon can help reduce your waist circumference and body weight. Belly fat is a very serious concern. The excess fat around the abdomen, called visceral fat, can lead to many different cardiovascular problems, high blood pressure, and stroke. Now that you know the healing properties of these ingredients, it's time to share with you the recipe for this simple tonic so you can experience for yourself these amazing healing changes soon. You're going to need 1 cup of boiling water, 1 tea bag of dandelion root, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a drizzle of raw honey. You may also use a natural sweetener. Then, mix everything together and enjoy. By the way, dandelion root smells very good and will do amazing things for your liver and kidneys. You will feel more energetic, your bloating will disappear, and your organs and tissues are going to work more efficiently and in harmony. Have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait about 15 or 20 minutes before you eat breakfast and do it again before you go to bed. Wait a few days and you will notice a wonderful change in your belly as well as your waistline. In addition to this elixir, there is also a Japanese breakfast tonic which is known to melt 3.5 pounds of belly fat in as little as 3 days. Discovered by a Japanese doctor, this tonic is mixed easily with just water and it targets the causes of belly fat. A 45-year-old mother of 3 had a life-threatening weight gain and could not lose any weight after trying out so many methods. While drinking this Japanese tonic in the morning, she lost 54 pounds in just 7 weeks. Find out her amazing story in the description. Given all these healing benefits, are you now ready to incorporate these healthy options to your daily life? Well, go ahead. After all, being healthy should be part of your lifestyle. And think about this, you also prevent the occurrence of chronic and long-term illnesses. Here's a toast to your good health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing video contents. Ring the notification bell and leave it on so you will not miss any of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.